Look how stinking cool he is. He's all clearly a hot enough day because Andrew went to the storage unit and picked up the air conditioner. Not to mention, we have a cute mini one. And another cute mini one.
Hot, but what do you want?
It's 90 today. But we made it till June, because it's June 1st, so that was my goal, so. Because if it was up to Andrew, we would have had it, like, the beginning of May.
It's probably true.
So I'm transfixed on his green. That's why Tommy's got no collar, it's not under any bankies, and I've got this cooling collar for him, but he hates it because I think it's just like too cold just sitting on him. He doesn't mind this, but if you just set it on him, he'll get up. It's just an airplane bud. See, he's like, alright, I'm done. I also got a fan in here for the baby. Got an Arctic air, so it's swirling some air, and then her fan. It was right next to her, but I don't want her to get too cold, so I moved it over just to get her some airflow. She is loving her new teepee because she started putting bedding in there, and I think she's sleeping in it right now. It is officially June today. It's June 1st, so it's time to bring out all of our Pride Pops. I'm really excited because I have my own Pride Pop this year. I got the Deadpool one. That's the only one I've found so far. There's a couple other ones. Wally and Tina from Bob's Burgers, and I really want those two, but this is my first one. Andrew has Batman, so we each have one. But we're going to put them out in the living room all of June for a little display. So I haven't decided if I'm going to put it on that little shelf or if I'm going to put it in the living room and do like holiday pops up there, because I think that might be kind of fun. So we're going to figure that out, but we popped these guys out today. Look how stinking cool he is. He's also a bobblehead, and the other cool part is he has a pin spot for a base in his arm and his foot. It's just kind of cool. So this is my new Instax case that I got at Walmart, and I've been adding pictures. So these are all January, and then these are February. This row is March, April, this is May, and then this is some more May. So I'm gonna put my first picture for June in there, and I'm really excited because the picture was me with Deadpool in a Proud Human shirt. This is the shirt. Look how cute. This is what it looks like, you guys. So cute, I love it. We're gonna be doing a Pride 5K, so we got these cool shirts and then rainbow socks, and if Tommy's allowed, he has a shirt too. I all know that I'm gonna get a picture of him and Andrew in their matching t-shirts for Pride Month, because I just think that will be the cutest picture. I'm gonna get a regular picture and an Instax picture, because that's just too cute to pass up.